6 realistic but unconventional tips to grow your YouTube channel. First, demand attention immediately you start your video. Demand attention immediately you start your video. Please stop all those long funky intros. You will use 30 seconds or 45 seconds of the starting of your video to be introducing yourself. Who cares? Mostly if you are a new YouTuber or an upcoming YouTube channel, why are you telling people about yourself? Why are you introducing yourself? Who cares? What people are interested is the value they have to get from what you have to say. They are not interested on who you are. You can get away with that if you are a big or you have a big followership. People can be patient to listen to you because already they are your followers. But if you are a growing channel or a growing YouTuber, you should stop wasting time. Once you start, go straight to the point. Marshal out your point immediately. Let that 30 seconds that you're wasting in introducing yourself, use it and get value out. Get the punchlines, those values that you cherish most, that you want to convey to the public. Get them out at least from 30 to 45 seconds of the start of your video. Don't waste it in introduction. Demand attention. It is that attention that will keep the viewer on your video or your content, so that the viewer can view at least a certain percentage before he swipes it off. He can even view it to the end, because once you grab that attention, the person will want to know how the video ends or want to get more information or more value. So be intentional about your video. Let's start with going straight to the point. Stop wasting time. Stop intros. Stop all those things. You'll be just talking long stories. Nobody is interested in long stories. Most people, most consumers in YouTube space, most viewers, they are impatient. Once they click on your content and they are not getting what they want, they will swipe it away and go to another place where they can get the information they want, because time is money. They are investing their time, so don't play with it. So number one is demand attention immediately. Create your hooks that will catch the person, that once the person clicks on your video, the person is not going anywhere till he watches the video till the end. The second is talk to the camera as if you're talking to your friends or to your friend. Some people are so fake. You will lose yourself in this YouTube journey if you are not careful. As you're trying to imitate people, you're trying to be like other people. You're trying to do this hack or this other hack. You're trying to do this setting or this other setting so that you'll be getting views. Because in YouTube, what everybody is scrambling is attention and views. But please don't lose the value that you want to add to the society. Don't lose yourself in this frenzy. It's very easy for somebody to lose yourself, and you won't know when you start faking it. So just plan in a way to hack yourself, to be yourself, be authentic. People spot fake people immediately. You cannot hide fake things. Some people are so smart that once you're fake, they will know. Be yourself. The only thing that can stand you out in this YouTube space is you being yourself, because nobody can do it the way you're doing it. Nobody can be you. That is why we are all different in our own unique ways. God created us all different. We are all human beings, but we are created in different ways with different talents. Nobody can do it the way you're doing it. So if you make sure that you work on yourself to constantly be you and not trying to imitate or just lose yourself in the imitation of trying to be another person, you will go far in this game. So talk to the camera as if you're talking to your friends, because once you're in the front of your friends, there is no fake life. You come as you are. You're not trying to impress anybody where your friends are, because they know you already. So you should bring it to this YouTube space. Talk to the camera, talk to the viewers as if you're talking to yourself. Be yourself. Even when somebody that knows you comes across your video, the person will know exactly this is who this guy is. The third one is shut up. Shut your mouth up. Yes, I say shut up. Stop talking too much. Stop telling your friends and families to go and subscribe to your channels. Stop telling people to go and subscribe to your channels. Just bring out your work out. Anybody that is interested will go and subscribe to your channel. If your friends, assuming that they are 50 and all of them subscribe to your channel, do you think you will make it? All those things are fake engagements. They are not subscribing to your channels because they find value in what you're doing. They are just doing it as a matter of obligation. And they are not going to engage as you like, as you want. It's called fake engagement. And your channel will not last long. I am telling you this from experience. I have tested a lot of things in this YouTube game, and I know what works and what do not works. Once you start telling your friends, family members to go and subscribe, and let me say 50 of them will subscribe, and you'll be feeling on top of the world that you're doing well, you're not doing well. Do your videos to the point that let create value to the point that once people see your video outside, they will be wowed and they will want to subscribe. Even those your friends, let them get see your videos outside as you posted them or as you shared them. You can share, but don't go about calling them on phone, telling anybody to subscribe. If you're adding value, people will automatically subscribe to your channel. And let me shock you. Sometimes your friends, they do not want to subscribe to your channel. Even if they do, they will not gonna watch your videos. They are doing it as a lot of obligation, not that is what they want to hear. The people that will keep you in this game is your viewers, your authentic viewers, your real organic viewers that you got from real engagement, people that really want this what you're bringing out there, people that really likes your content, and that is the only way you can make it on this YouTube space. Please just start it. Stop telling people, shut your mouth up and face what you're doing. Just gear your energy in creating valuable, interesting, and a content that will stand the test of time. The next one is please stop going to different platforms. Stay on one or two platforms. Stop going to, some people are posting on 5, 6, 10 platforms. If you're on YouTube, YouTube is already stressful. The work is already overworking you. Why are you still overworking yourself? The work is too much. For you to be posting and be consistent on this YouTube space is a Herculean task. Not to talk of your posting on 5 or 4 or 6 different. You can be on 1 or 2, can be on YouTube or Facebook, you can be on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, but don't make it to be so big or to be so many. It will burn you out. You will burn out. As you're doing for YouTube, you're thinking about Facebook, you're thinking about this, and it will make you scatter your effort and you'll not give a value, you will not be giving valuable content. Even if you're succeeding, you will tire out easily. You know that this game is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not who takes off fast. No, it's somebody that goes gradually and steady grow. That is what wins in this game. So take it easy, don't rush. You understand? Don't rush. Just focus on 1 or 2 and make sure that all the content you get, bombard them there, and you see you start getting traction before you know it. These are what has worked for me. That is why I am presenting it to you, and I know, I'm very, very sure that it will work for you. The last but not the least is be consistent in your schedule. Look for a schedule that will fit you. Don't go and imitate another person. If somebody is posting once in a week, look at your own channel, look at your own audience, and look at your own capacities and capabilities. Don't go and start posting every day where you know you cannot meet up with it, because it's not about dishing out content, it's about dishing out valuable content. And you know what someone puts in before you can bring out a solid video. You have to put in a lot, both researches and the rest of them. It's not easy. You have to assemble a lot of things and make sure before you can even shoot one content, it is very, very hard. Not to talk of you are putting your eggs in different baskets. It will really affect you. Just try to focus on one thing, on one platform, and just be consistent. Be consistent. Just be consistent on what you're doing. Be consistent and be posting. If it's 1 week that you have chosen, be posting once a week. If it's 2 times in a week, be posting 2 times in a week. If it's 3 times in a week, be posting 3 times in a week. If you want to be posting daily and you know you can keep it up, it's not something you can do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months and you stop doing. No. Once you have created a schedule for the algorithm will be expecting you as of that time. If you are coming on sometimes like 2 or 3 times a week, the algorithm will be used to your schedule and will be pushing your content. That is what we call consistency. And that consistency, the value must not be sacrificed in the altar of quantity. No, the quality will not be sacrificed. So be consistent on your schedule. Do what works for you. Don't imitate any other person. If you can do all these things I have marshaled out now, these 5 realistic but unconventional tips, you will really go well. You will really do well in this YouTube space, and you really go far in this space. So watch out for my next video.